This is a tour of my toolbox. Got some flashlights on the outside here. Keep all my sockets up top. Big ass 2-inch NPT tap. Spark plugs. Top drawer. Ratchets. Little finicky things. Little torque screwdrivers. Scrapers. Torch. Blah 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 blah. Next drawer, screwdrivers, some picks, scrapers. Third drawer is Allen keys and wrenches. Got some syringes for oil changes and differentials and stuff. Bottom drawer of the top box is all my big wrenches and some 1/2-inch guns, some 1/2-inch impact sockets. Top drawer of the bottom box is all my 14-4 and pneumatic tools. Good selection. Next drawer is just drill bits and punches, little things, feeler gauges. What we got next? Oh, just all my boxes, impact drivers and bits and extractors and micrometers and stick of deodorant when you get stinky. Oh, whoops. Next drawer is pliers. Got some scrapers there. Big channel locks. There's garbage, doesn't need to be in there. Next drawer down is hammers and punches. Got this prosthetic hip I bought off Kijiji, 40 bucks. Money well spent. Next drawer is all, I got a dial bore gauge, a bunch of pry bars, and tire spoons, that sort of thing. And the bottom drawer is just all my big stuff. Multimeter, thermal imaging camera, borescope, plastic welder, and thread chasing set, and just some miscellaneous things that I got. And then down below I got like a tap and die set, hole socket, lay under here, slide hammer. That's it, boys. That's my box.